Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, looking for a fun MagSafe case for your iPhone 12 or 12 Pro that's easy to get on and off your phone. Like the idea of OtterBox quality but don't want to be dragged down by a big and bulky case? You might want to check out the new Figura case by OtterBox. So this case is made of a soft, flexible silicone. It's very easy to get on and off your phone, and as you can see, we've got the built-in magnets here. So this case is made for MagSafe, fully MagSafe compatible. You're going to be able to use it with your MagSafe charger and the new Apple MagSafe Wallet. Lots to love here. Let's check out this case in a bit more detail on my iPhone 12 Pro in Pacific Blue. Looking at the construction of the Figura case, this is a very slim and lightweight case. We have nice squared edges on here. They fit well with the iPhone's design. The material here is a combination of a polycarbonate and synthetic rubber, very flexible, super easy to get on and off your phone, as I mentioned. Looking on the interior, we have our embedded magnets, which make this fully MagSafe compatible. It is made for MagSafe, so that is excellent. Overall, quite a nice little case from OtterBox. Putting your phone in this case is extremely easy. There's nothing to it. Once on, you can see we have a very nice slim fit here. There's very, very little lip on here. We have a slightly higher lip on the bottom and on the top, just very, very slight. I do have a screen protector on here, and it's definitely adding some thickness here. If I didn't have a screen protector on here, you'd have more visible lip. This is the Sapphire X screen protector. It's made of genuine sapphire, really nice screen protector. Fits well with this, but it does take up pretty much all of the available lip on the sides. There's basically no lip on the sides here, but on the top and bottom you do still have a little bit of lip. As far as our fit on the phone, you can pull this pretty easily away from the sides of the phone. This is not a tight-fitting case by any stretch of the imagination. This is totally not going to be the kind of case for some people. People who like tight cases are not going to like it. People who like very protective cases are not going to like it. But there's a lot of people out there that just want a case that's really easy to get on and off your phone. And that's definitely going to be this case. It's cute, it's easy to get on and off, and has a great look on the phone. And it's MagSafe, so kind of a lot to love there. So looking down here at our fit in the port openings, we have asymmetrical port openings for our asymmetrical port design. That's great. Not going to have any issue fitting third-party lightning cables here. You got plenty of space. Overall, everything looks good here. These are nicely insets. You do have some drop protection here. Going up the sides, the material here is soft silicone feeling type material. It has not really a grippy or a slippery feel to it, somewhere in the middle. Feels pleasantly secure in the hand, but it's not a grippy case. Going up here to our buttons, these are nice and easy to press. Everything is good there. And then our mute switch area is plenty easy to access, I think. I don't think most people are going to have any problem accessing the mute switch. Going up here to the view from the top, again, very minimal lip, but do keep in mind that I do have a screen protector on here, the almost edge-to-edge Sapphire X. So if I didn't have that on here, you would have a little bit more lip. Going over here to our side button, again, nice and easy to press, no problems there. You've got some OtterBox branding here on the side. Looking at the back of the case, everything looks lovely here. This material is going to be reasonably fingerprint and scratch resistant, although greasy smears are going to be showing up, but regular fingerprints should be fine. Has a lovely feel underneath the fingertips. It's got this soft touch finish to it. As far as impact protection, they used to say on the website that this could withstand 26 drops at a height of 4 feet, basically mil-spec drop protection. But for some reason, I don't know if they're overhauling the website or what, but I did notice that that verbiage is gone from the description of the Figura, so I don't really know what the deal is there. I think that this is going to be a reasonable light protection case. It's going to provide some protection to your phone, but it's not going to be nearly as protective as your Symmetry Series Plus or something like that. So if you're looking for a super protective case, this is probably not it, but it has a lovely look and feel to it, and it's super easy to get on and off. You've got a decent amount of protection here for your protruding camera. Definitely have lay on the table design. Overall, just quite a nice case here for your iPhone 12 or 12 Pro. So you're not going to have any issue with wireless charging with this case, either the regular Qi wireless charging or the new Apple MagSafe charging, because of course this is a MagSafe case. So we have magnets in here, so you're going to have a nice tight connection on here, absolutely no problems. And you're also going to be able to use this with things like the Apple MagSafe Wallet. That's going to connect on great. And you can even use this with third-party wallets. Got this one here from Moft. That connects on really well, nice and tight. It's a really cool product actually. It becomes a little stand, really nice, like the Moft. Then you also have this very nice MagSafe wallet from Mouse, their MagSafe card wallet. That's actually my favorite MagSafe wallet so far. This one has a really tight connection. Very nice and secure. It's really not going anywhere. Much tighter connection than the Apple Wallet. So the Apple Wallet is a smoother material on the back. So when you're looking at the difference between the two, you've got these little micro dots here on your Mouse wallet and then smooth leather on the back of your Apple Wallet. So when you're on a smooth case like this in particular, your Apple Wallet is going to be able to slide off a lot more easily as opposed to something like your Mouse wallet, which has quite a bit more friction. At any rate, with this case, you're going to have no issues whatsoever using the MagSafe feature of the new iPhone 12 series. As mentioned, this case is extremely easy to remove from your phone, no problems there. And checking out our pretty pink OtterBox Figura in the Flapper Girl graphic. Again, shockingly easy to put on your phone. Really great look and feel. Very little lip. Perfect for frequent case changers who like MagSafe. So as you may know, OtterBox was the first company to come out with third-party MagSafe cases, and I don't have all of the MagSafe cases that OtterBox has, but I do have experience with most of them. So in comparison to the others, your Figura is going to be on the lowest end in terms of protection. You've got the Figura, and then you've got the Anu. I don't actually have any direct experience with the Anu, but I think that the Anu and the Figura are pretty similar in terms of protection. The next step up in terms of protection is going to be your OtterBox Symmetry Series Plus. This one is only a little bit bigger than your Figura. It's a little bit taller, a little bit wider, but it's going to provide a lot more protection. This is going to provide 3x military drop test standard protection, which is pretty impressive. It's quite a robust case. It's got a polycarbonate back and sides that have a bit of rubber in them. Totally different look and feel than the Figura. It's not really as cool looking, but it's going to be a whole lot more protective. And then if you want to have increased protection, you might want to go with something like your Defender Series XT. I just got this one in the mail. I don't have any actual experience with it yet, but I can show you in terms of size. It is considerably taller and it's wider as well. But this guy is going to give you 5x military standard drop protection, so quite a bit more protective than the other two. So I've got a bunch of really nice cases here from OtterBox. It just depends upon what you're looking for in your iPhone 12 series MagSafe case. Again, we've been looking at the OtterBox Figura Series case with MagSafe for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. It's available directly from OtterBox as well as from many other retailers, and it has an MSRP of $49.95. It comes in 4 colors, the green swirled Monday morning graphic and the pink swirled Flapper Girl graphic featured in this review, as well as a yellow and green swirled Dandelion Wine graphic and a purple and gray swirled Sequence graphic. Many thanks to the kind folks at OtterBox for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer them, and please do consider subscribing to my channel. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.